Good morning from the West Hemisphere to all my brothers and sisters across the world. Uh, this this next teaching, this next briefing, biblical briefing, I've thought of countless ways of how to make it easier for myself and for all of you, my brothers and sisters across the world, to share this unadulterated biblical scriptures, but it's also, like I said, in many other apocryphal and pseudo-cryphal books, including the Dead Sea Scrolls, and it's also in many other religious books in the world also. But for the sake of righteousness, I'm going to start with the unadulterated word of the Bible. So I decided that instead to make it easier for me to explain it, I'm going to go from point A to point B. I'm going to go directly into the subject. This is another video from the Lake of Fire, the fiery abyss, the black holes, what the Lake of Fire is, what the abyss is, where the Lake of Fire is, where the fiery abyss is, and why all these black holes happen to be in our visible universe, and what is their function. So allow me, my brothers and sisters, to take the direction of this teaching from point A to point B. The center of a black hole lies in the center, lies a singularity. Okay, what is a singularity? A singularity is a point of infinite density and curvature, where the laws of physics as we know them on planet Earth break down. Inside the singularity that lies inside a black hole, what we know about the world, about the physical constants governing our universe, falls apart. Let me give you an example. This is a hypothetical example because nobody has been able to go into a black hole and come out, because whatever goes in there, the gravitational pull is so strong that it just takes galaxies, quasars, nebulas, large areas of the universe. It sucks it up. A black hole is like the recycling vacuum cleaner the source uses, meaning God, uses to get rid of things in the universe that he need to get rid of by molecular dissociation of matter and by associating matter again into new galaxies and new material astral bodies, including suns and quasars and nebulas and whatnot. So let me give you an example. This is a hypothetical example. Let's suppose that you could go inside a black hole. And let's suppose that you will have some means of videotaping what you were experiencing inside the black hole. So this is hypothetical. if you will get too close to a black hole, strange things will start happening. Why? Because it's a scientific proof the space gets stretched longer and skinnier. You will find your feet being pulled miles away in front of you while your body is squeezed sideways. Remember, this is a hypothetical. You will have become a piece of space spaghetti long before you reach the event horizon that Enoch wrote about, because he witnessed it. Then you be ruptured into your own fundamental particles, and you will disappear behind the veil of darkness. You will disappear. Now remember, this is a hypothetical that other people that I know, they are magna cum laude, double PhD scientists, which I respect tremendously. They gave a hypothetical example in case that you could go in there and you have the means to film what you were experiencing, which, by the way, that's impossible. So, that being said, in my next video, I'm going to continue with this series of the lake of fire, the fiery abyss, where the lake of fire is, what the fiery abyss is, and where the fiery abyss is. So stay tuned, because we're going for a ride.